again. Welcome to part 2. I want more time, and there's nobody here to tell me not to, so I'm going to do it. I've opened the Chrysocolla, which is a color from Color Art. It's nice and green, because I think a little bit of that will be very nice. I see a few places that I'd like to do things, and I think I'm very interested in playing with some of the white and some of the pink and some of the orange. And continuing on my merry way with my airbrush, which you could probably do with a straw, but probably not as large as I've just gone. I want a whole bunch of bright colors in here. If I lower it slowly, I can find the center. Well, I could a minute ago. Now I'm just making cool abstract designs. I didn't get much of the white. I want to try the Amsterdam white next. I refuse to believe that I'm going to ruin this. At least I hope I'm not. And I'm dumping everything over. I have some Meeden white, and I'm really curious to see if it will sell up. But where do I want to do that? Let's do it down here where it might not matter. And a cell activator with something that's supposed to sell anyway, so it really ought to work. As opposed to making an eyeball in the corner. Which is what it looked like. I have some hot orchid, and that looks mucky to me. So I'm going to take my chances. For some reason I'm being called to yellow. Oh, I found my straw. I thought if it doesn't work out, nobody will ever see it. And I do use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixtures, which means I really don't need to worry too much about paint cracking. There, that's a better line for me. I do like smaller doses. I want to try the straw just to show you guys, as long as I didn't hide it on myself. I'm getting some strange colors, but I'm not sure where the blue came from, but I know it's Prussian blue. I'm about ready to give myself permission right here, right now, to put some neon pink in here. Some gold with it. Some cell activator right over the top of it. Stop coming out, that's not fair. That's kind of cool. Makes me want to do something similar up here. Hopefully you can see that. I wonder. Maybe if I move it in that direction. I'm going to try the airbrush. That's kind of cool too. Definitely want to try the black though. I just got, whoa, no, we don't want to dump the torch over, not even a little bit. I did just drop my airbrush on the floor. It's getting to the point where it's going to be way more busy than I want it to be. It may have already passed that point, actually. I am not sure what to do with this except for to let it dry and see what tomorrow brings. Or just play with the paint because I can. And that sometimes works. It's quickly becoming something I want to throw a chain into. That's not right. I should not do that. That is more of the Amsterdam black, which is also not coming out of that container either. I like that. I like that before I blew it away too. There, I gave myself permission in the end to make a mistake if I had to, and I like what I have, finally. I especially like those little black and white cells mixing. I'm not sure the red was the color I wanted there, but I am sure that the orange is. This is too dark for me down here. So I'm thinking I'm just going to give myself permission. I like the blue in there, but it's not that easy to see and it will dry darker. Time for the straw. A little more black, I guess. Maybe a little more pink too. I like being able to blow some texture in there too. The long game. I picked up the straw with the paint on the wrong end. Darn. I don't like doing that. So I'm going to stop after this. No matter what. Since I've already got paint on my lip. That will probably sell up in a second. This is interesting. I know. I say I'll stop and then I don't. You can't trust me. And it is really busy. Lots of times when it dries, it calms down some. Not sure this is that one, but we'll see. I got to play with a few techniques I was looking forward to playing with. I'm not done, I guess. If all else fails, dot it out. Somebody told me today it doesn't matter what other people think. She likes my dots and to go for it. I'm afraid some of those will just bleed. But I actually think that might be helping me out. Don't need black up there. I guess I'm just going to go until I don't feel like going anymore. think I told you guys most everything that you needed to know in the last video. I love this flower, but it's so dark. I just can't. I can't think that it's going to be all that helpful. Of course, it'll have a nice dark background. I like it when I just put down the little puddles. I need to do an entire painting of just puddles. I have done a painting of, I have done several paintings of entirely just puddles. Okay. I got 2 minutes if I need them. I am not impressed. So until I get what I want, I'm going to stay at it. Okay, that works for me. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Don't forget to check the end screen video. Oh, I went right through my dots. Okay then. I'm going to call it good. It is what it is, and that's how it looks from your perspective. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I'm sure I've said that like 3 times now. I'm going to try and zoom in for a second before you're gone. There's a lot going on in there. See you anon. I love you guys. Bye for now. Priscilla out. To the timer. Beep, beep, beep. Cool. Bye.